Hey, wake up. Look, today's Dasmen'S birthday today. Hey, happy birthday, Dasmen. Yay. I was going to let her stay in the cage because, look, there she is, man. There she is. There's Dasmen right there. To the left. See Dasmen? Right there by Jasmine. You know how's my bird, Dasmen? She's 6 years old today. She just turned 6. Yeah, I just want to let you know she's still around, man. My baby birds, Jasmine and Dasmen. See, this the only two I got left. Remember? That's the only two I got left. This is it. You remember I told you I used to have all my 6 parakeets, all my 6 birds? You remember I told you I used to have 6 birds? I don't have 6 birds anymore, remember? You know what happened to all my 6 birds? They all passed away. So I got 2 left now. See? I got 2 left. So all my old birds, the one I love, they all gone. They all dead. They all died with old age. So remember I told you when the birds get old, when it reach about if one of them reach about 5 years old, 6, 7, 8, or 10, they died of old age. It happens, and it still hurts. And it's a lot of stress, I've been stressed out for a long time because of this. When I lost a lot of birds, when I lost all my birds, it broke us. So, yeah, I just want to let y'all know, so. All right, man. It's Dasmen's birthday, baby. 1, 2, 3, go. Dasmen, happy birthday, Dasmen. 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 Happy birthday! Et vivo! Happy birthday, Dasmen. Love you, baby. My favorite birds. See, that's why I'm gonna get another parakeet, man. I'm gonna get another birds, man. See, I love these parakeets. See, the little parakeets, man. I'm gonna get another one right now. I'm gonna get another parakeet.